we're gonna unbox the Uniden SDS150 so everyone can see what all comes along with it. Bunch of literature, startup guides, things of that nature, tutorial, all that, but you can find all those things online. Obviously, the 150 itself. We have the antenna. Just like this little plastic here. Belt clip. The hand strap as well. SMA to BNC, in case you need to connect another antenna, a BNC. Cables. There's wall charger. Battery. The charging stand. Put these together. Obviously these go here. You can clip this. Here's where the SD card goes here on the side. Nice improvement from the SDS100. See the side. Back, still got that bubble battery. Same functionality. A little bit taller than the SDS100. Obviously this would plug in. There. And then this is how it looks with the stand. So you can charge it and leave it in the stand as well. So that's it. That's the SDS150 unboxing. You can take a look at this. You can buy at zipscanners.com. You can give our team a call. We'll take a look at your area, see if you need any software upgrades to make sure it will work in your area before you purchase.